Hello, my name is Mineo. I'm from New York and I'm 31 years old. I work in finance. My hair loss first began when I was in college. I started just seeing that my hair was a little bit thinner than it was when I was in high school, and it continued to slowly thin out in the years after that. I wasn't too worried about my hair yet, but I knew that my family had a long history of hair loss, and I'm somebody who really loves to do all sorts of fun stuff with my hair, and it was making me really nervous. Was I going to lose all of my hair at a really young age? Or even if I didn't lose all my hair, would I lose flexibility in what I could do with my hair? And so that had me very worried. For me, one of the things that was a priority is that I wanted to be able to keep some of the hair that I already have, even as I go through this process, and especially since I would be returning back to work soon after this procedure is done. And so I reached out to the team and I had asked if there's any way that it would be possible to have my hair transplant done without needing to shave off my entire head. Eventually, the team led me towards the choice of doing a DHI, where they would be able to use the necessary tools to be able to do the hair transplant without needing to shave the entirety of my head.
Good morning everyone, I'm Dr. Genç from Smile Clinic. We have a sweet couple today from US. We will do his hair transplantation. His nervous scale is nerve 5. We will do his operation without shaving. We will do DHI and we will cover his all empty areas all over the scalp. Operation will be nearly 7-8 hours.
The clinic everyone is so friendly, really like the staff. I'm glad that they're very accommodating, and I'm looking forward to how it all goes.
Thank you.
The operation was overall a smooth process. At first, they give the anesthesia, and that's probably the only real pain that you experience. Admittedly, the initial anesthesia does hurt, but after that, everything is very smooth. It's a sort of strange feeling because you know that something's happening in your head, but you don't really feel any pain. So overall, the experience was fairly straightforward, fairly pain-free after the anesthesia. And overall, the team was very friendly and very accommodating.
Okay, so why did you choose DHI?
Well, one of the key things for me is that I really like the hair that I have, and I didn't want to have to get rid of the hair that I have. I also want to be able to return to work quickly without too many questions, so I really wanted to get the unshaven transplant, and so this is the choice that I ended up going with.
So you have a lovely companion here.
Yes.
How long have we known each other?
We've known each other for quite a while now. We've known each other for about 8 years.
8 years.
Yes, that's
8 years. But we've been together for about 5 years.
Nice. I mean, like, you're very lucky because lots of guys come here and, like, without nobody know their situation, like,
Yeah.
little secrets.
Yeah, it's nice to have somebody who I'm able to rely on, and, you know, I'm not alone in this process.
What are your expectations for today?
You know, I'm not 100% sure, but I'd really like to be able to have more freedom to style my hair in the ways that I'd like to. There's certain kinds of styles that used to look good on me when I was younger, but don't look as good now because maybe they reveal a part of my head that doesn't look so good. So I'm really excited to be able to kind of have more freedom in the way that I style my hair and not have to worry so much about hiding parts of my head using my hair. I really like the team here. Everyone was very friendly. The doctor was very warm with me, and the team really made their best efforts to communicate well and to ensure that I felt comfortable through the whole experience. They were the best team one could ask for. Follow the true transformation.